So, this mess back here has been here longer than I'd like to admit.
No, we just moved.
Yeah, we just moved like, you know, like a month ago. So, yeah, we're gonna clean it and time-lapse it for you guys.
Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight. We defeat all impossibilities. Yeah, you and me will take our hearts and run free into the running so fast, can you find me in the dark? Oh baby, close your eyes and listen to the beat of my heart. Take my hand, don't be afraid. A love like ours just can't be tamed. Take my heart, just feel the beat. We'll leave tonight and run free into the
Alright, we hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it probably wasn't the most exciting cleaning video, but I'm going to speed it up really fast, and I hope it ends up looking cool sped up really fast.
Don't ever move. You end up with piles of stuff.
Yeah, this is the first time we've like seen the top of our table since we moved. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you next one. Bye guys.
Bye.